Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can change your Facebook ID in your PUBG account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, what you want to do is, if your Facebook is already connected to your PUBG account, you want to go ahead and unlink it or disconnect it. And if you don't know how to disconnect it, go ahead and watch my last video on that. And finally, once you have done that, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and click on this bottom right arrow button on the bottom right of your screen right over here, and then you want to simply tap on settings, and up here there is going to be a link account button where you want to tap on Facebook, and then you want to simply sign in into your Facebook. Basically that's it. Let me just tell you, if your Facebook is already linked, if you click on this Facebook button, then it will ask you to disconnect, or basically it will unlink your Facebook account, and then you'll have to again tap on the Facebook icon again, and then you'll have to go ahead and sign in into your Facebook account. So it is as easy as that. So let me show you. By tapping on it, click on continue, and this will pop up where you want to simply go ahead and enter your mobile number or email on top, your Facebook password down here, and tap on login, and your account will be done. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.